Good morning guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Well, I was gone down south to Oregon.
In 800 meters at the roundabout.
I received my package from Iceco, and I don't know, for some reason they just didn't drop the package. They make me go pick it up. Usually they just leave it there. That's the way it's supposed to be done, but I guess was nobody home when they came to deliver the package, so they decided to take it to a center, you know, a pickup center. So that's what I'm doing right now, you guys. It's a beautiful day out there, so it's a nice drive, but I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, here we are. Let's see what's happening here. Very big box for a little car, right? Let's open up this one. And if you guys remember, maybe you guys don't know why I actually choose Iceco to have a fridge freezer inside. Well, because of my bro Chrome, I seen his Iceco and I was really impressed with the quality, and plus having the fridge freezer or complete freezer, that makes a big difference. So this is the second one that Iceco actually sent out to me. The first one was a single lid black one, and that's not what I picked. I wanted it, the green one with double lid. You know, it's much easier for me to use half as a freezer or half as a fridge, or completely use it as a freezer. But let's get to it and see how this guy looks like, and then we're gonna package up the other one and send it back to Iceco. Proper spot for this, we might need to go to J to hook up the electrical, but let's just see first how this actually gonna look like. Oh yes, absolutely. Yep. Oh, MG. Oh yeah, so this one now you need to somehow keep all this, don't destroy them. Okay, so we have all the cords. This is the, could be just a fridge freezer. I like this one because you can just pull it out, and not only that, also has a light. Whew, that's amazing. And then these locks are something next level. Now, not only that, wow, look this, also has a cover. That is sick. That is really sick. Beautiful. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah. That's really nice. I'm sure we're not gonna use the cover because this is gonna, let's figure out the bench, because I have to remake the bench to put this guy in. But for now, this guy will sit 100% inside here. Now let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, let's do this. Oh yes, and it's heavy, absolutely heavy. Oh, nice. Oh yes. Be like this, and it's perfect, fits in the bench, no problem, except we have to readjust the height. And I think this is gonna be fine. You know, you pull it right out here. If you are inside here, you know you have access to it, no problem. The fan is gonna be on the side, so when we make the door on the slider that completes the bench, we're gonna have vents sliced into them, so this guy can vent out, all that heat in dissipated. This guy, it's actually 110 volts, huh? And DC 12 volts. Ha! Beautiful. Oh my god, yes. So yeah, now maybe we just need to somehow have something when we open it, to hold it here. But yeah, let's plug it in and let's see what kind of energy this guy is pulling from the system. Let's see all the electrical. So actually goes into a cigarette lighter. Amazing. Wow. Let's see. Let's just do a little experiment, you guys. I know this is a small little guy, probably won't be able to run the fridge. We got 46% in it. We have a cigarette lighter here. Let's find out. Let's find out if this guy would be able to put the DC on. And let's plug in the fridge. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Let's see what's... Oh, it's amazing. It's only pulling 44 watts. Now it's gonna take a lot at the beginning because it's hot inside, and once everything cools down to normal temperature, it's just gonna cycle on and off, but as of now, this little guy probably can only run it for, what is that, 1.8 hours. Just a couple of words about the Iceco, you guys, and like I said previously, why I choose to go with Iceco, right? And one of them is, look at the coolness of this build, right? It's a sleek out look with the classic metal shell, you guys. Look at that, right? Just to make sure that this is durable and a long lasting life, right? Look at that, beautiful, right? And most definitely I love the dual zone, you guys, that you can select. You can run it both sides fridge, both sides freezer, or one side freezer and the other side fridge, and that is just amazing. And having the light and the tray, so you can just pull the tray out, so you don't leave the door open to heat it up. You can just open it up, pull the tray out, take whatever you need, put the tray back on, and away you go, and it's all done, right? And boy, they are locked like solid. And yes, both sides have lights, right? Because that's really important. Look at that. But I like the color. I like the greenish grayish color, you guys. And another nice feature on it, the Iceco compressor, which is fantastic. Low energy power, you guys. That's the beauty. Now the VL series offers a range of sizes, you know, from 47 quarts to 78 quarts, providing a lot of flexibility to meet diverse needs like me, especially when I need to have a lots of meats in. Oh, I'm gonna leave it to that. Thank you, Iceco, for sending me this beautiful fridge. I'm not gonna say any more about it because the product speaks for himself. Look at this steel casing, nice thick walls, very economical on the power. What else can I say, right? So I'm gonna just close this chapter right here. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for riding along with me on this one. I'm gonna put the links in the description, and I appreciate your love, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you guys be well, be safe. Peace out.